Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is L3Harris highlights fiber optic tethers for unjammable drone and subsea communications in contested environments. L3Harris Technologies has highlighted its fiber optic tether systems as a way to provide unjammable communications for drones and subsea platforms operating in contested environments. The company said the technology is designed to keep warfighters connected when radio frequency systems are jammed, disrupted, or intercepted. The systems are intended for use across air, maritime surface, and subsea domains. L3Harris said they support special operations and conventional forces requiring secure command and control during missions in hostile or denied areas. The threat is no longer theoretical, it is shaping the battlefield in real time. We see adversaries aggressively jamming, disrupting, and hijacking RF radio frequency-controlled unmanned aerial systems at scale, exposing a critical vulnerability in modern drone operations, said Dave Cornick, President, Intelligence and Cyber, L3Harris. Operational success now depends on resilient command and control architectures that can survive in the most contested electromagnetic environments. Our drone fiber optic tethers, DFT, provide a secure, physical connection between operator and aircraft, ensuring uninterrupted control, mission assurance and battlefield survivability when electronic warfare conditions are at their worst, Cornick added. L3Harris said its drone fiber optic tether systems are optimized for missions exceeding 25 kilometers and have been tested overseas against active electronic warfare systems. The company said the systems provide data transfer speeds 10 times faster than radio frequency alternatives while remaining lighter and smaller than competing tethered solutions. The company said the systems provide secure, high-bandwidth communications that cannot be jammed, intercepted, or disrupted. The National Defense Authorization Act compliant systems are manufactured in Palm Bay, Florida. L3Harris has developed two media converter systems to allow existing radio frequency-controlled drones to be converted rapidly to fiber optic operation. The analog fly-by-fiber system clips into NDAA-compliant controllers and integrates with UART Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. Controlled RF radio frequency drones, while the digital fly-by-fiber system provides low size, weight and power performance with latency of less than 70 milliseconds. The company said its micro-diameter fiber optic cable delivers data transfer rates more than 10,000 times greater than traditional copper systems. The technology is used in the L3Harris built improved post-launch communications system for the U.S. Navy's next-generation -48 Malawian Quachars Mod 8 torpedo. L3Harris said multiple U.S. Navy and industry partners have selected the company as a fiber optic tether provider for maritime and subsea applications. These include unmanned surface and underwater vehicle programs. The company said it is investing to scale production of American-made next-generation attritable drone technologies and components. L3Harris expanded its fleet of advanced fiber pack winders through 2025 and 2026, with further capacity growth underway to meet operational demand. According to L3Harris, the investments are intended to strengthen the U.S. defense industrial base and reduce supply chain dependence. The company said the goal is to ensure warfighters have access to survivable fiber optic solutions for contested electromagnetic environments. L3Harris also supports integration of fiber optic command and control systems onto existing small unmanned aerial system platforms. Its work includes 3D modeling, prototyping, electrical integration, software development and field flight testing. The company said trained and certified drone pilots support its integration activities. L3Harris said the capability gives U.S. forces secure, high-bandwidth connections across air and sea domains as electronic warfare threats intensify. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.